Hey guys, just hopping on real quick to cover everyone's profits from today's live trading session, Wednesday, August 23rd, as we officially close out the trading day. We have Casey over here with a total profit of 2,255 for the day. We have Sisu here, total profit of 300 for the day, all wins. We've got Shannon here, total profit of 192 on her first account, 192 on her second account, and 192 on her third account, all wins here. We've got G on here, total profit of 410 for the day, all wins. We've got Barack here, total profit of 3,270 for the day, all wins as well. We've got Casey here, total profit of 1,215 on his other account, all wins. We've got Maddie here, total profit of 120 on his first account and total profit of 450 on his second account. We got Patricia here, total profit of 1,170 on her first account, total profit of 820 on her second account, and a total profit of 1,331 on her third account, all wins for the day. Here goes Patricia's other account, total profit of 5,750. And that's pretty much all the profits from today's live trading session. So if you guys want to rewatch that session, pull up our YouTube channel, youtube.com/Kodi Kai Trades, and pull up the session from Wednesday, August 23rd. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, I will see you guys back here tomorrow for the next live session. See you guys then.